assessment we can't do anything because assessment tools give us feedback also, translation tool and integration and reflection also. So we are moving in the category of foundation. Yes, foundation is very very important. So here we will discuss on AI and the English language classroom. So as we all know that artificial intelligence, that is AI tools used by learning. So how these AI tools make? So as we have different kinds of languages like Telugu, Marathi, Hindi, English in the same way, which language the AI tools can understand? That is the machine language, and next one is the NLP, that is natural language processing. And how it works? With the help of this machine learning and NLP, it understands and generates and respond to human language, because we have our different languages in the same way. Artificial intelligence have also their different languages. So in ELT, in English language teaching, these tools, after some time we will discuss some tools. Okay, so these tools now support how to write, how to speak, how to listen, because these are the skills: how to read, how to assess, and how to do, how to plan our lesson designing is also important. For all these aspects we have various kinds of tools. Okay, so AI tools do not replace the teacher, but if we will not change ourselves, definitely someone will come and replace ourselves. So as per the need of an hour, we have to update and upgrade ourselves, our knowledge, our skills, and even our attitude also, because they extend what a teacher can offer each learner individually and at a scale, because everyone has mobile in their hand. Okay, but our student also know. Like, I think you people have also different kinds of experience. The students know more tools rather than the teachers if we are not updated and upgraded. Okay, so if we will take the support of these tools, definitely we can give proper learning atmosphere to our students. So that's why if we are using these AI tools, definitely it will give some justice to our teaching learning process. So this presentation surveys widely use AI tools across the core language skills. With here I will discuss the process, how to use these tools, what is the importance, and also I have mentioned some examples and uses also. Okay, so why these tools matter in English language teaching? Because importance is very very important. Unless and until we don't know the importance of anything, how can one can use or know the importance of these tools? That's why the importance of ELT, why these tools are important in ELT, those aspects are also very important, because it provides instant individualized feedback that a single teacher cannot always give to every student in real time, because we have some limitations. Okay, because we have limited energy, limited mindset also. If we will not use AI, we will be uh, backward one. Okay, because it allows different kinds of aspects. That is, they allow differentiation. The same lesson content can be adapted to multiple reading and proficiency level in seconds. Okay, so they free uh, teacher time from repetitive tasks. They means what? Here they means AI tools. I have used this they word for AI tools because there are so many tools are available, and from those tools we have to decide which tools are suitable for me, for my language, for my presentation, and for intellectual level of our student, such as leveling text, drafting quizzes, or transcribing audios. And you people also know, right? And these tools give learners low pressure practice space for speaking, writing, and pronunciation outside class hours. Because unless and until we will not speak, how can we know the English language? So AI tools build learners digital and AI literacy.